If you're in your 20s, you probably have a dream of becoming rich and living the life as the way you want. But there's one piece of advice popular in all over the world, which is silently killing your growth. And also, no one is talking about it. Most of the financial influencers are telling you to look poor, save money, and don't buy expensive things. And even some financial influencers are giving you a formula like spend 40% and invest 20% from your monthly income. Then you're gonna to be rich one day. But have you ever thought, will this advice actually make you rich? Yes, it will. But in your 40s or 50s. If you actually want to become rich in your 20s, then you have to focus on making money rather than in saving it. I am not telling that other financial advice is wrong, but the path there is showing you to become rich is quite slow. Your 20s is the best years in your life in which you can take a lot of risk because you have nothing to lose and you can achieve everything you want in your life. So, if there is something you truly love, even if it's expensive, just buy it. Not because you want to show off others, because it gives you internal happiness, and that internal happiness motivate you to work hard. Look, I still remember when I bought my first branded watch. My relative is telling me that buying a watch is a wastage of money. But when my mind don't want to work anymore, then I just look at that watch and that watch motivates me to work again. And then I worked harder and I bought it. That's why your 20s is not a time for saving. It is a time for earning and then spending it on the learning new skills and on the things which motivates you to work harder. But remember, never buy anything on EMI because it is a trap. On the other side, some people are even making money by buying things on EMI, but I understand that you can't do this. So stay away from the world biggest trap, EMI. And the one most important thing, you need to show your subconscious mind the lifestyle you want and you have to live like that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you watch too much self-improvement videos and not getting any progress, not seeing any progress in your life, then you can watch this video. This video might help you.